Now our next topic is median. As you have done in ninth class, median is the again measure of central tendency which gives the middlemost value observation. That gives us the middlemost value of the given data observation, that is the median. Now for ungrouped data, this we have done in ninth class. For ungrouped data, median you have to find the n. N means number of observations. If n is odd, then median comes out to be the n plus 1 by 2th observation. That gives you the median, middlemost value. And if n is even, then from where we get median? Median was the average of. We find the average of n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation. Average of these two values observation, that was the median when n was given to us even. This is for the ungrouped data. This we have done in ninth class. Now we have to find median for grouped data. For that we will use the formula. For grouped data, median comes out to be L plus n by 2 minus CF upon frequency into H. Now again for this formula we need a median class. From where we will get median class? Median class will be the n by 2th, n by 2. We will find n by 2 value, that will give us the median class. When we do the question, it will be more clear because we need cumulative frequency also for this. So you just memorize this formula. L stands for lower limit of median class, n is total number of observations, f stands for frequency of median class, cumulative frequency is the preceding value of the cumulative frequency, and h stands for class size. Using this formula we will find the median for group data. It will be more clear with the question. By doing the sum it will be more clear to you. Now to understand the formula of median, let's do one question for this. This is on page 281. The data is given to you. These are the marks given to you and number of students obtaining these marks. Now first of all, to find median we need to find the another column, that is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency which is added on again. So first, for that to find this frequency, first entry as it is, number of students, and then we will add diagonally. 5 plus 3, 8, that gives you cumulative frequency. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 22 plus 7, 29. 29 plus 9, 38. 38 plus 7, 45. And 45 plus 8 is 53. This last entry is same as the total number of frequency. This when you add it, this comes out to be 53, and this last entry. You can confirm your answer if these two values are same or not. If this is not same, it means you have done some mistake. You can check your values where some mistake is done. So last entry and total of the all frequency is the same. So this is your cumulative frequency which you will get. From this, now we have to find the median of this grouped data. Now you can see we need median means exact middlemost value, so we will find n by 2. N stands here total number of values, that is 53 by 2. Now you will find half of this value, that comes out to be 26.5. This value is the middlemost value, 26.5. Now we need to find where this 26.5 stands in this column, in this cumulative frequency column. Now you can see 26.5, it will be after 22. This value will come after 22. So it means this is our median class. From where we have to find out median class, we will find n by 2 first. N by 2 value comes out to be 26.5. We have to locate this value in this cumulative frequency column. Where will it exist? So after 22 it will come 26.5. So this is our median class. From this median class we will get all the values of the formula. So L stands for lower limit. L here, frequency of median class, that is F. This is F, frequency of median class, and cumulative frequency which we have written, that is preceding value of the median class, cumulative frequency of the preceding median class. Now I write the formula: median L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency upon F into H. This was the formula where L is lower limit of median class, so that comes out to be 60. N by 2 we have calculated already, 26.5. Then cumulative frequency, that is cumulative frequency of preceding the median class, so that is the value 22, and frequency is frequency of median class. This is the frequency of median class, that is 7. You can see here it comes out to be the frequency of median class, so that is value is 7, and H again class size which is uniform here, which is 10. So all the values of the formula we will get from the median class. So you should know from where we have taken this median class as n by 2. We will find n by 2 because median is the middlemost value. So we will find n by 2. This value is to be located in cumulative frequency table column where it will come exist. So that will give you the median class. From this median class we will calculate all these values. Now all these values we will put in the formula to get the answer. Now I have substituted all these values in this formula: L 60, n by 2 26.5, minus 22 by 7 into 10. As I explained you all these values, putting the values in this formula, what you will get. Now solve it. 26.5 minus 22, that comes out to be 4.5 upon 7 into 10. Removing the decimal, you will get 45 upon 7. This decimal will be removed and 10 will get cancelled. So this comes out to be 420 plus 45 by 7, that is 465 upon 7. Solving it, you will get the answer, that comes out to be 66.4. So this comes out to be the median of the grouped data. Using this formula for grouped data, we can find the median.